Menteri Rang Ba Kejala Konrad K Sangma nin kam sebentar ka lekmen Meklia Games dalai hieru jaga yung krek kam ke JHADC hajuai yo pun benar wada pynlait poisa ke sorkar so klur kam ke advance payment kani ke poisa to ke bahak namo ke royalty wada yo nagi marpok hendau minor and major minerals wato ulai ke JHADC Neliang Konrad de iktiu ya ka sanction letter how CM ke JHADC uthambor siwat dewa emlang le ki sembut Menteri Rang Ba ki Menteri Sorkar ku kentup yo coming mon emban iti mondal u MLA ke jwai wailat miki shela ki EM ke council wa ki wide u Konrad de yulti wa kani ke poisa daw yirap ko su ya ke tulap wadang sa kamu pun kumo wa ke ya wadadep de yo ke JHADC hado khat le klur
Mandraganj, Sanjay Sangma, our respected CEM, all the EMs, MDCs, and the officials of the Jhansi Hills Autonomous District Council. First of all, of course, I would like, on behalf of my entire cabinet, to wish you all a very, very happy Meghalaya Day. We did not have this program. We did not think that we will come here, but we decided to come here because it would give us an opportunity to greet all of you on Meghalaya Day and meet all of you. And most importantly, on this very important occasion of the 53rd anniversary of Meghalaya Day, statehood, on behalf of all the cabinet colleagues out here, especially our Deputy Chief Minister, Masnyo Balanghar, and our Cabinet Minister, Ma Koming, as well as our local MLA, Ma Wyrta, who have been continuously expressing their concerns about the challenges that the Jhansi Hills Autonomous District Council is facing in terms of finances, because of their continuous pressure and follow-up and their request that some support be given to the Jhansi Hills Autonomous District Council. I am happy that on this day of 21st of January 2025, marking the 53rd anniversary of our statehood, I am happy that Government of Meghalaya has sanctioned rupees 40 crores as an advance payment of share of royalty on the major mine minerals to the Jhansi Hills Autonomous District Council. I'm sure that these funds will help you to clear some of the backlog in terms of salaries and other expenditures. I would like to, at this moment, hand over this sanction letter to our respective CEM. So that is all from our side. And as I said, we have got other programs to